Hello friends, greetings to all of you. This announcement I guess you might have already known, or it will be a very good news for the students of CS Executive giving in their old syllabus, the syllabus pertinent 2012. First of all, welcome to my channel MJS Knowledge Hub and greetings to all of you people. And if you're new to my channel, kindly hit the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. And this channel will be getting updates regarding CS examination, also regarding CA examination as well, and a bit of revision videos so that you can improve your revision part for your examination. Okay, so what is this notification all about? First thing, the notification is for the students of CS executive program under the old syllabus. So as we all know that the last attempt of December 2019 examination is the last examination for the students undergoing the old syllabus, right? And from the June 2020 they have to write the exam under the new syllabus of 2017, but the institute has decided to give one more attempt to the candidates appearing in the old syllabus. Therefore, these students who have registered to the executive program prior to 1st March 2018 but could not qualify their exams now are allowed to give one more chance in the old syllabus in June 2020 session. Therefore, the executive program, this is only for executive syllabus people, this is not for the professional level. Okay, so the executive program students who are in the old syllabus of 2012, they can give their exam in June 2020 if they have not qualified for, if they have not qualified December 2019, they can give their attempt of June 20 examination in the old syllabus. And from December 2020 automatically, if in case they didn't clear in June 2020 attempt, they will be automatically transferred to the or switch to the new syllabus. Okay, so from 2020 exam everyone will be giving the examination in the new program, new syllabus, 2017 syllabus only. So I hope this is a very good chance, and so don't miss it, and don't get loose hearted if you have not cleared this time. Just pack up everything, sit and do the good studies. You have still, exactly to be frank, almost 4 months of time: Feb, March, April, May. You can do it, and just be focused and clear this exam in the old syllabus. All the best.